I'm inspired. Let's get cooking. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I just want to say thank you to Gratitude Farms for letting us come and visit. Your mushroom farm is amazing. The rest of your farm I'll still have to come back and see when it's all up and blooming and everything's in full swing and season with all the other produce that you do. But it was great to see the mushroom farm, and I'm excited to start using this beautiful produce. I think I'm going to do vegetarian tacos today. So when you got such a good quality product, I would let this be the star of the show. So I'm going to do some tacos. I'm actually going to do an interesting one. I'm going to do Achiote marinated lion's mane. We're going to cook it full like a steak, and then I'm going to slice it nice and thin, and yeah, it should be a great addition to a taco. So we'll be doing a chestnut mushroom puree as the mole, and yeah, we'll be using a variety of these mushrooms to incorporate into the tacos. I'm excited. So thank you, Joseph and Gratitude Farms. I'm going to do you justice and cook up some vegetarian tacos. Let's do it. Now, look, I'm going to try something different. We got two different types of masa. Masa is a type of ground up corn. We got the blue and regular white masa or yellow masa. I'm gonna do two separate batches of the masa, and what I'm gonna do is incorporate them together. Once I've rolled them out, I'll add them together and try and create like a marble effect. So kind of getting artsy with it, you know. So that should be pretty cool. So first things first, we've got to start the tortillas. So first thing we're going to do is get these tortillas going. So I'm going to have to change my camera angle over here because I'm doing this all on my own. Okay, so now that these are resting, we got the dough made up and covered and protected. I'm going to let that sit for a bit while I jump onto my mushroom puree. I'm going to be utilizing the chestnut mushrooms, and that's going to be bringing a nice nutty, earthy flavor to these tacos. So let's get it. So this is my top down. So we'll be using and utilizing the chestnut mushrooms. These are going to be epic for a puree. I'm going to throw these in, maybe a bit of these white ones. I don't even know the name of these ones, but they look cool. what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this down a bit. So I've got the puree. I just want to get some of this moisture off. It's looking pretty good. The flavor is incredible. And here's the star of the show, the lion's mane. I'm gonna press it like a steak with some achiote. I'm gonna brush some achiote paste, liquid paste onto it, and cook it like a full steak. This should be amazing. So I'm gonna get prepping on with this. Just look at that. Okay? Lion's mane. Achiote lion's mane. Beautiful. Steaks. Look at that. Ooh, it's hot. It looks like chicken. Oh wow. Look at that. Okay. We gotta get up some of this beautiful puree. Nice little dollop. Put it in the base. That's going to be packed full of flavor. Ooh, tell you what. Chopped broccolini. Look at that. Ooh yeah. We got this lion's mane that looks like chicken. Look at that. Beautiful. A nice stack like that. I'm gonna do some Mexican cheese. Oh, hey, gotta be all neat, you know. I'm gonna go pickled onions. I make my own homemade pickled onions. I soak in honey for a couple of days, and then I take them out the honey, and then I soak them in vinegar. Like this unique flavor. Look at that. Trying to do a little achiote, nothing too fancy, and then finish it off with some fresh cilantro. Well, that's a wrap for this one. So what do you think? Lion's mane cooked like a steak. It looks amazing. It looks like chicken. It looks like chicken. And this taco turned out beautiful. And it's vegetarian. Check out some good taco books. There's plenty of them out there. This is one of my favorites. But yeah, tacos are quite a cool way to spend the day with some friends and getting all dirty, making the tortillas from scratch. It's always fun. Got a shout out to Gratitude Farms for supplying us with such beautiful produce. And I'm gonna get tucked into this right away and let you know what it's like. Look at that. Oh. I'm not even lying. That is so, I mean, you don't miss meat. With lion's mane like this, you do not miss meat. It's chewy. It's got some texture to it. It's earthy, and it's also got that char on the outside from pressing down and grilling it for a while. It is absolutely delicious. You have to try this. Achiote, the paste that I was using, it's easy to get. You get it on Amazon, and this is great. This is a beautiful taco. Wow. Take this time to say thank you for all the subscribers, and the videos are doing pretty well, and yeah, 800 plus subscribers, so I appreciate you guys. And Chef's Perspective is going to try and push for more content, meet some cool farmers, get out to some unique places around the States, and show some love and support for them. You know, the whole point of this channel is to get me out of my comfort zone and go meet the people that grow the produce that I use on boats, because most of my time in my career on boats, I'm ordering the stuff from suppliers, and it comes, you know, the beautiful produce that we see, we never get to see the story behind it. So if that's your kind of thing and you want to, you know, go down this road with us, and we'll be exploring some cool farmers and local suppliers and growers around the United States and hopefully around the world. So we appreciate the love, and subscribe if you're into this sort of content, and hopefully we'll put out some more decent footage. Yeah, I don't see any marbled tortillas in this book. I'll show them, teach them a lesson. I'm just a chef, I don't know how to film.